So having had my Ford Ranger for just over a year now, I thought I'd run a check to see if there's an update for the Sync 3 that I've got in it. And lo and behold, there is. But for some reason, I'm unable to update it over the Wi-Fi in the vehicle itself. So what I've had to do is, or what I'm going to show you how to do, is to update the Sync by using a USB stick in the PC in the house. Okay, so first things first, let's check for what version of Sync this is. And if we go into settings, I have to forgive the broken wrist. If we go into settings, then into general, and if we come down, it says the about Sync, click on that. So we've got Sync 3 software version 2.2. Also gives you the vehicle identification number, or the VIN, which is what you require to actually download any updates. And also when you go to the Ford website, it tells you whether an update is actually available when you put that in. Make note of that, because obviously you've got to put it into the Ford website, but when you finish the update, you've got to update the Ford website so that it knows that you've done an update, and then it can inform you if there's any in the future. Right, so let's just go back. Okay, so to first of all find out whether there is an upgrade, you've got to go to the Ford UK website. So if you do a search for Ford UK, bring that up. And then once you're in that, go into search. And what we're looking for is a Sync 3 update. If we do a search for that, at the top there you'll find Sync and Bluetooth support. So you click on that and then scroll all the way down until you come to this here where it says Ford Sync Update. Click on that and it basically takes you through to this point here. And what you've got to do is you've got to check for an update, and it requests your VIN number, or your vehicle identification number. Now mine's already in there, so it remembers it, but we'll pop it in again and bring it up. And if you do check for update, then it'll do a search. So it already knows what it is, a 2017 Ford Ranger. It tells you that there is an update and that you can download the software. So if you accept that, I'm going to download it to the desktop. So I'm doing save as, bringing up the folders, and then I'll go up to desktop and I'll just save it into desktop. Click save, and now it's downloading. It's quite a large file, so it's going to take a few minutes. So that's a 2.5 gig file downloaded and in desktop, and as you can see I've got it there, and I'm going to extract it to a USB stick. So extract all, find the USB stick, and it starts to extract it once I've done that. So having visited the Ford website, now we've downloaded the update and it's sat on my USB ready to go. Here's the USB. So it downloaded in a zip file, and then I've unpackaged it onto the USB stick. So now with everything on, all we should need to do is, if I just move the camera down. So this is a Ford Ranger. There's the USB ports. If I just unplug both of them for the time being, get the USB and pop it in, and we'll see what happens up on the screen up here. This part can take anything up to a couple of minutes for the stick to register on the system, but as soon as it does, it recognizes it. I've also disabled the Bluetooth on the phone as well, just so that it's not clashing. Right, I'm going to turn off the automatic update. Just having a look at that. Come back. So it's not done anything at the moment. However, oh, there we go. Updating system software, so it's just kicked in there. It says this will take anywhere from 15 minutes to 30 minutes. Just depends on the speed of the USB stick and how up to date your system already is, I'm presuming. Right, so after an hour and a half of trying to update it, we're going to try it again. This time I'm going to use a decent USB stick, so it's been unzipped onto this. And let's try it. So again, into the USB slot. And it should find it. I think the good thing about this is that you can turn the engine off and take the USB key out without destroying the system. Okay, so that took a couple of minutes to register there. So instead of over an hour and a half and it not being successful, let's see if we can get this done in under 15 minutes now. And we'll fast forward. Right, so that's taken just shy of 16 minutes. So let's close that. Right, now the next thing that we've got to do before anything takes effect, let's just have a look at the... Right, so it's still showing version 2.2. And the reason for that is we've got to go through a key cycle, which basically means getting out of the car, turning the ignition off, getting out of the car, closing the door, locking it, waiting for a couple of minutes until the sink's shut off completely, and then unlocking the driver's door again, coming in and starting the car. And at that point then everything should have taken effect. So we'll just do that. Let's go back to that. Turn the ignition off. Take the keys out. So leave the car and lock it up for 2 minutes. Okay, so back in the car, key in, ignition on, and when it boots up, close that. Right, so system's updated. Now if I press this, we should get the notes. Let's have a, oh, where's the details go? Well, that's no good, is it? Right, so let's go to settings. About sync. And there we go. Sync 3, software version 3. So everything's worked out perfectly. I would have liked to know what the update details were, but beggars can't be choosers. And back again, see if anything's changed on there. Right, I think we have lost something. Yeah, we've definitely lost something. Navigation, phone, climate, audio, everything's working fine. And then back home, and there we go, we've got an updated system, so that is fantastic. And the next thing that we've got to do, or the last thing that we've got to do, is
Remove the USB. Don't need that. Remove the USB and take it back to the computer and upload the information that's been put on it so that Ford can notify me of anything else that's happening.
Back to the PC, click on successfully updated, and then basically you're looking for a file then, so browse for a log file. Go back to the USB stick that you brought up from the car. And this was the bit that I found difficult, actually finding the file itself. And ultimately you are looking for an XML file, and it's in the Sync My Ride folder. If you get the wrong one, it just tells you you've got the wrong one, so you've got to find it. So Sync My Ride, open it up, down to the bottom, there's your XML, click on that, and all done and dusted. And now you have a updated Sync 3 to version 3. Some of the things that have changed that I've noticed are there are fewer icons on the screen, and some of the icons have changed as well. They've flattened out the menu system basically, but all good to go.